And tackle traders, welcome out to another edition of the Coach's Mailbag. This is Coach T from TackleTrading.com. And by the way, it's great to be back. We've got our clubhouse over at Tackle Trading. And by the way, if you want to take a look at Tackle Trading, go sign up, TackleTrading.com. Sign up for our daily email, join our clubhouse, go and read our blogs, and catch our shows. We got amazing content over there. And part of our clubhouse is, where our community members and our traders and our students can post questions. And I got a really good one from Steve McCown from down in Dallas, Texas. And Steve, I hope you're doing well. It's great to meet you last January when I was down there. And I liked your question because it points to where even a little thing can make us nervous because we don't know what's going on, right? Steve says, okay, now I'm nervous. Why the monster after hours candle on ROST? Worried it'll gap way down, stop me out, pop right back to run my plan without me. And we would not want that, Steve. Obviously, gaps can be killers in stock market. And as I came over here and looked at the daily chart, there's no gap, right? So where did the misconception or the misperception or whatever word you want to use here, say, where did Steve get it wrong? And I'll tell you where. If you go down to an after hours chart, see, ROST Store is trading at $96 right now. But on the after hours, 15-minute candles, or even let's say I put it on the 1 hour candles, you have this long tail candle right here, okay? ROST Stores on Tuesday night, before Wednesday's open, it looked like it was going to trade way down here to $93. Now, that would not have been good. That would have been a gap down. Now, you'll notice that ROST all week long has been trading around $96 or $97. The $93 mark never actually happened. So where does this candle come from? It's probably a predetermined transaction by one of the executives or somebody who has to declare their stock. What happens, Steve, if you own certain type of stock, or if you work, or you've got to declare it, or you got to file extra paperwork when you want to sell, you might have actually agreed to that transaction, I don't know, a month ago or so, back when it was at 93. And then say in the middle of August, you come out and you say, I want to sell 100,000 shares. The market then will set the transaction date for the future, and that's when it's processed. See, the market actually never did trade to that date. As a matter of fact, it stayed around 96 or 97 all week long. So I'm not saying don't pay attention to it, but sometimes those after hours candlesticks can be, misleading because that's not actually what's happening. There's a couple things that you can do, okay? Yahoo Finance. In the evening or in the morning, if you go to Yahoo Finance, this is just a trick I've used for years. If I want to look up a stock, I'll put in like ROST, and it will show me whatever the current market price is. And in the after hours, it will show you the market after hours prices as well. Okay. That's one thing that you can do. Second thing is you can look at the bid and ask spread inside Thinkorswim, or even over in the Trade Center in Tackle Trading. If you go to the Trade Center, you should be able to get a chart on this and get a current version of, say, ROST, and look for the actual bid and ask prices on different things. Look at the chart on the daily. You can break it down into a different location. And by the way, you'll notice on different charting platforms, it didn't show that after hours gap. See, this is the same chart showing it going between 96 and 97, 96 and 97, Tuesday and Wednesday. It didn't have that long after hours gap because Thinkorswim must have priced that data point and the others didn't. So if you ever see something funny like that, ask a question like you did and go and check a couple of different data points when you do. It's been the Coach's Mailbag, Coach T from TackleTrading.com. Get the game.